Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. If you're passionate about content creation, vlogging, or cinematic smartphone videography, then you're in for a treat. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is set to revolutionize portable cameras with cutting-edge features, including a larger sensor, improved stabilization, AI-driven enhancements, and a bigger display. Whether you're a filmmaker, social media influencer, or travel vlogger, this compact powerhouse could be the perfect addition to your creative arsenal. Let's dive into the latest leaks, rumors, and confirmed details to see if the Osmo Pocket 4 is worth the hype. Bigger display, better handling. One of the biggest complaints about previous Osmo Pocket models was their small display, which made framing shots and navigating settings a challenge. DJI seems to have taken user feedback seriously. Leaks suggest that the Osmo Pocket 4 will feature a 2.5-inch touchscreen, a substantial upgrade from its predecessor's 2-inch display. This larger screen not only enhances framing precision but also improves menu navigation and overall usability. Additionally, rumors indicate that DJI is introducing a rotating display for effortless transitions between selfie mode and action shots. With a brightness level of 800 nits, outdoor visibility will be significantly improved. Ideal for travel vloggers and adventure enthusiasts shooting under bright conditions. Due to internal upgrades, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to be slightly larger and heavier. However, DJI is compensating for this with improved grip ergonomics, making extended shooting sessions more comfortable. A game-changing 1-inch sensor for pro-level video and photography. The single biggest factor affecting image quality is sensor size, and DJI is reportedly making a massive leap in this department. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a significant upgrade from the 1/1.7-inch sensor found in the Pocket 3. This means better low-light performance, higher dynamic range, sharper, more detailed images, enhanced depth of field with cinematic background blur. This larger sensor will allow content creators to capture stunning visuals, even in low-light conditions, making it perfect for night vlogging and travel documentaries. AI-powered autofocus and intelligent subject tracking. One of the most anticipated upgrades in the Osmo Pocket 4 is its autofocus and tracking capabilities. Leaks suggest DJI will integrate phase detection autofocus and AI-driven subject tracking, ensuring your subject remains sharp even in fast-moving environments. Additionally, DJI is expected to introduce Active Track 7.0, an advanced AI-powered tracking system. Whether you're filming yourself on the go, tracking a pet, or capturing high-action sports, this feature ensures the camera remains locked onto your subject, delivering smooth, professional-looking footage every time. Ultra-smooth stabilization. Hybrid Gimbal Plus EIS. Stabilization has always been DJI's strong suit, and the Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be the most stable pocket camera yet. Reports indicate that it will feature 3-axis mechanical gimbal stabilization combined with enhanced electronic image stabilization for silky smooth handheld shots, minimized motion blur in fast-moving scenes, ultra-steady walking and running shots. If you're into adventure vlogging, travel cinematography, or sports videography, this hybrid stabilization technology will be a game-changer. 4K 240 FPS. Super slow MO excellence. Video quality is getting a massive upgrade, with leaks suggesting that the Osmo Pocket 4 will support 4K at 240 FPS for ultra-smooth slow motion, 4K at 120 FPS, 1080p at 480 FPS, HDR video recording. If these rumors hold true, this would make the Osmo Pocket 4 the most powerful slow-motion compact camera DJI has ever released. For filmmakers who love capturing dramatic, slow-motion sequences, this will be an indispensable tool. D-Log-M and 10-bit color depth for pro editing. For creators who love color grading in post-production, the Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to support D-Log-M for maximum dynamic range, 10-bit color depth for richer, more accurate color representation. This means better color accuracy when editing in Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve, giving filmmakers more creative control over their final look. More power, less downtime. Battery and charging upgrades. A major concern for content creators is battery life. DJI is expected to optimize power management in the Osmo Pocket 4, leading to longer recording times, high-voltage fast charging, full charge in just 25 minutes. With improved heat dissipation, Overheating issues will be significantly reduced, allowing for longer shooting sessions without interruptions. Connectivity and smart features. Fast file transfers and live streaming. In today's fast-paced world, connectivity and file transfer speed are crucial for content creators. The Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to support Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 for faster wireless transfers. Live streaming support for direct broadcasting. USB-C 3.2 for ultra-fast wired data transfers. Additionally, DJI is rumored to introduce modular accessories, including a revamped wireless microphone system, modular battery grips for extended use, a handle with built-in controls for better ergonomics. Release date and expected price. Now the big question. When is the Osmo Pocket 4 coming, and how much will it cost? Rumors suggest that DJI plans to announce the Osmo Pocket 4 in Q4 2026, with a release window of late 2026 or early 2027. Pricing is expected to be around $549, placing it firmly in the premium compact camera category. Should you wait for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4? If you're currently using an Osmo Pocket 3, the decision to upgrade will depend on how much you value the larger sensor, AI tracking, and 4K 240fps slow motion. However, if you're coming from an older model or looking for the best pocket-sized vlogging camera, the Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be the ultimate upgrade. Stay tuned to Techno Trend Zone for more updates as DJI's next-gen compact camera nears launch.